Self-development is the process of improving oneself in various aspects of life, including physical, emotional, and intellectual growth, as well as the development of new skills and abilities. It is an ongoing journey that requires commitment, effort, and patience. The process of self-development encompasses various aspects such as setting goals, developing self-awareness, learning new skills, and taking care of physical and mental well-being. Additionally, it also involves developing resilience, emotional intelligence, stress management, and a positive mindset. The book provides an overview of various aspects of self-development and offers strategies for achieving personal growth and self-improvement. It also highlights the importance of healthy work-life balance, developing a growth mindset, setting boundaries, and learning to let go. The aim of this book is to encourage individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth and to recognize the power of self-development. For more, download Unlocking Your Potential, a step-by-step guide to achieving self-development and success. Ebook link in description.